Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Kayla's Curls video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another Halloween makeup look. I'm going to be going for a vampire makeup look. I'm very excited to do this look. I also have some red contacts that I will be wearing to go with the look. So if you are interested in these contacts, I just recently did a review on them. Go check out my last video, and they'll also be linked in the description box just in case you're interested. Again, everything used in this video will be in the description box. So let's get started. I hope you all enjoy, and I hope you guys also try out this makeup look for your Halloween costume. So I'm starting off with my Waterfall Glacier Water Cream just to get some moisture back into my skin. It's always important to start off with a hydrated face, which is why I'm going in with my Aqua Shot Miss A Hydrating Primer. Just a little brief nail intermission. If you're also interested in those are also from Betty Cora. I also did a review. Check it out. Let us do the brows now. So lately I've been into this Revolution soap styler, so I'm going to use that today. I'm going to start by spraying the applicator with some setting spray, and then I'm going to rub my applicator into the soap, and then I'm going to go in and brush my brows upwards. So I'm going to do that for both eyebrows, of course. And then I'm going to go in with my sculpting brow pencil from Shop Miss A. And we're going to go in and I'm going to fill in those sparse areas of my brow. And this is a complete definition of you do not need to do the most to get the most. Once my brows are filled in, I go back in with the applicator and brush down. And then I'm going to use my Nude Sticks concealer and I'm going to shape and clean up my brows. So lately I've been really loving doing this eyebrow routine because of course I like using the pomade for your brows, but sometimes it can be a little too dramatic and I like going for the natural look. So I have been using more soaps and less product, if you will. And of course, if you've been following me around, then you know I did drag some of that concealer down to my eyelid, and I'm going to blend that out. And this is going to be a base for the eyeshadow as well. And after I'm done doing that part, I go in and do my face with my foundation, the Concealer by Tarte, which is now a new staple of mine. And then I'm just going to blend that all over my face. And then boom, we are almost done the base of the face. Now it's time for concealer. I'm going to be using this Flawless Concealer Balm to conceal my tattoo on my face. And then I'm also going to go in with my Nude Sticks and just conceal the areas that need to be concealed. And after that, I just blend with my Beauty Blender. And here you can see how amazing my concealer works, which is why I really, really love that Nude Sticks concealer. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend the rest of that out. And then once I'm completed doing that, I'm going to go in with my translucent setting spray from Laura Mercier. And then I'm going to use my Beauty Blender to apply that to my face. And of course, I'm going to let that set for a few seconds. And then I also decided to go in with the Beauty Blender and just put it all over my face because I noticed that I had like a little shininess to my skin. And I don't really like that. Like for me, it just goes to show how oily your face is, so I had to use the powder on my face. So now we have changed into some red contacts. I am now ready to do my eyes, the eyelids. So I'm just going to first start by using a nude shade and we're going to blend that out on the eyelids, and this is just going to set the lids and as well give a base for the colors to be more pigmented on top. So going into my King Beauty Mega Rainbow palette, I'm going to take this black shade called Grounded, and I'm going to blend this on the lower portion of my eyelid. Like I said, I'm only going to be blending that in that lower portion of the eyelid because after I do that, you guys will see I am going to use a clean brush which has a little bit of purple eyeshadow on it. And I'm going to use that to blend the outer ridges. And what this is going to do is it's going to spread the shadow a little bit more without making a harsh line of black, because black is a really hard eyeshadow to work with. But if you are smart and know how to use your shadows, then it will not get crazy. And as you can see, it's becoming more flush and blended well. I'm going to do the same thing for the other eye. Now that I'm done doing the shadow, I'm going to go in with a black eyeliner and I'm going to put that on the waterline of my eyes. Going back in with the brush that I used to put the black shadow on, and I'm just going to blend out the liner so that it can become smoky underneath. Because we are going for a vampire-y look, we don't want there to be a straight line, because if you've watched Twilight or any other vampire movie, then you know vampires have like that shadow type of vibe going on in their eyes. So that is what I am doing here with the shadow. I'm just blending it, and then I also took more of the shadow and I did blend that there as well, just to add a little bit more darkness to the look. Once that's complete, I go back in with the purple shade and I blend that under the black eyeshadow that I went in. And now we're going into the next shadow color in this Oasis burgundy colored look. Let's a little vampire intermission here. I was feeling a little bit spooky, but we're going to take that shade and we're going to blend over the ridges of the eyelids, and this is just going to make the shadow flush, and it's also going to give that like darkness to the eye for the vampire look that we are creating. So as we did the top, we are going to also take that shade and blend that on the bottom of our eyes, or on the bottom part of our eyelids. And I'm going to also blend that shadow around just to create that oval shape so that it all connects. Things are starting to look real vampire-ish. So now I'm taking my eyeliner, a black liner, and I'm going to create squiggly broken lines. If you were to research right now how a vampire would look before their fangs come out of their gums, their eyes would look crazy. Like they would look like they lost sleep in years, which literally they did. So that's what we're doing here. We're just making the look come together a little bit more. And I also did mess up on a few of the lines, but trust me, mistakes are always welcome to any type of look that you're going for when it comes on to Halloween looks, because it just adds more of a natural vibe to it. So I did not rub it away or remove it with the makeup wipe. I just smudged it and like smoothed it out so it would just blend in with the others as well. Because after I'm done doing this, I'm also going to go in with the eyeshadow again to put the color more below. That way it all becomes blended and flush all together. So like I said, I was going with the shadow again. So that's what I'm doing here with the makeup brush. I am just going to blend that lower down to where I created the broken lines. And of course, I'm going to go in and do some little beauty marks or freckles, whatever people call them. I call them beauty marks. And I just put a little bit all over. And I even did one on my nose, and it got messy. You'll see it's coming up right now. It got a little bit messy, and I decided to just blend it out afterwards because I don't know, sometimes mistakes bring the look together rather than getting rid of it. Sometimes it does pull the look together. Had to give a little ASMR for those that do enjoy ASMR. I'm going to use this blush, and we're going to be using this heavy-handedly. We're going to blend this not just on the cheekbones but also on the temples of my face. And you'll see as we go along how much I put. I did put a lot because it really after I put the blush on, it really did bring the look together. Like, it just literally, it said, "Hello, vampire 911, help me." Anyways, now we're going into some Himalayan highlighter, my favorite highlighter of all time. And I'm just going to tap that on my cheekbone and a little bit on my temples. Alright everybody, so as you can see, the eye look has been completed. I am going to pop on some lashes, so I'm going to throw these on. So I'm going to stop filming for a little bit and I'm going to comb my hair and change my dress. And then the last thing we are doing is our lips, and we are finally done creating this vampire look. Now, I'm so excited because it came out really beautiful and just how I imagined it, thought it. And I love that you can get creative with these kinds of makeup looks, because a lot of people like to copy similar looks, or like copy like the normal look. But me, I like to create it on my own and do my own colors, my own style, and yeah, it looks so good, and the contacts just make it pop even more. Let me go ahead, throw on those lashes, change my outfit, and you guys will see me in 2 seconds. Alright, y'all. Tell me I do not look like the princess from Twilight. I should have played that princess in Twilight. I should have been in the Twilight Saga. Why wasn't I in that scene? Anywho, we're now going to do our lips. This is the last part. I'm going to use a dark black matte lipstick, and I'm going to put that on the outer ridges of my lips. So like I said, we are going for that vampire lip look, so I do want to have like that darkness and then also some redness. So I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick. This is a matte red lipstick, and I'm going to put that in the middle of my lips. And then of course, the usual, rub your lips together, and I go in and fix any errors that I make. So for the blood portion of the look, I used a liquid lipstick, so that's why it looks like it's dripping blood, but it's just lipstick. So yeah, don't come for me too. It's just lipstick. It is not real. It is fake. So here we are. Here is our vampire makeup look. Tell me what you guys all think in the comment section. I really want someone's opinion right now, so make sure you comment because I need to know your thoughts. Please tell me what you guys think. I look crazy like a vampire, and I really had so much playing with this look. It came out amazingly. I love it so much. I could easily fool somebody right now, and yeah, but I'm in love. Tell me what you guys think in the comments section. The contacts really did make this look come together really well, and the hairstyle as well. It was like the last minute hairstyle look that I had to do, and came out amazing. So anyways, I hope you guys did like. Make sure you guys like, comment, share with your baddies, and I'll see you in the next one.